Some of you left comments on my last video saying Meta AI is glitchy, the quality drops, and it just isn't a true replacement for Grok. I read every single comment, and honestly, you were right. So I went back to the drawing board. I stopped looking at third-party websites, and I looked at the platform we are actually trying to dominate. I just discovered that YouTube quietly gave us the ultimate cheat code, and nobody is talking about it. Forget Meta AI. Forget Grok. I am going to show you how to use Veo 3. It is Google's most advanced AI video model. It is completely free, it is unlimited, but it is hidden directly inside the YouTube mobile app. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to use this hidden Veo 3 feature to recreate the most viral, highest retention shorts format on the internet right now, for exactly $0. I will even show you a secret CapCut editing tips at the end of this video that improves the footage to look like a paid subscription. If you look at YouTube Shorts right now, there is a massive new trend taking over the algorithm. Channels are getting 10, 20, and 30 million views per video by mixing historical documentary styles with absurd modern scenarios. It is the ultimate curiosity trigger. People cannot scroll past it. But we are going to take this viral formula and make it uncopyable by combining it with our signature 3D anatomical skeleton branding. That's right, folks. We are going to recreate our skeleton shorts workflow, since in my previous video I used Grok. But as you all know, it has gone paid. So sit back, relax, and watch me create a masterpiece. To do this, we need a flawless system. If you just type a basic idea into an AI generator, the video will be slow, boring, and the viewers will swipe away in 3 seconds. So I built a brand new, highly advanced master prompt specifically engineered for this exact niche. This new prompt will instantly generate highly viral ideas for you. It mixes bizarre history with insane what-if scenarios. But more importantly, it solves the two biggest problems in AI shorts. First, it completely solves the pacing issue. The biggest mistake you can make in a YouTube short is leaving one clip on the screen for too long. This prompt forces the AI to write a completely new visual beat for every single sentence of the script. This guarantees rapid-fire pacing, where the camera angle changes every few seconds. Second, it bypasses the AI safety filters. If you try to generate an ancient battle, most AI models will instantly block your prompt the second they read words like blood or gore. This master prompt automatically rewrites your scenes using filter-safe cinematic language, like crimson neon lighting and battle-worn armor, so you get that gritty, dark aesthetic without ever getting banned. Once you select an idea, it generates your entire script, and after you have approved of the script, just tell it to proceed. Now, we move to the visual generation. We are going to use Nano Banana Pro to generate our base images, and we are going to use a massive shortcut so we do not have to generate our skeleton character from scratch every single time. The master prompt gives you the base skeleton prompt. You paste this into Nano Banana Pro first. It generates a hyper-realistic, translucent 3D skeleton standing in front of a solid blue background. You save this image to your computer because this is your new best friend. You are going to use this exact image into Nano Banana Pro's Add Ingredients feature. Because we have locked in our main character using the Add Ingredients feature, the AI can now focus 100% of its processing power on generating the most insane, hyper-detailed historical backgrounds possible. You just copy the image prompts one by one from your script, paste them in, and Nano Banana Pro will generate images of your exact skeleton character physically interacting with the historical environment. The environmental details, the golden hour lighting, the rusted iron textures, they will all look flawless. Just follow my steps exactly as I am doing right now. You can add as many previous references as you want to get the maximum visual consistency. After you are done, your project will be full of high-quality cinematic shots, and now simply download them. But static images do not go viral. We need motion. This is where the entire industry just changed. Instead of taking these images to a clunky website, send them straight to your phone. Open the YouTube mobile app and tap on the plus icon to create a short. Now, hidden right upper right corner, the Creation Tools is access to Google's Veo 3 video model. It is completely free and it has enough limit to upload one short every day. You just select photo to video option, upload your Nano Banana Pro image, paste in the motion prompt our master prompt generated for you, and let YouTube's native AI animate it. Veo 3 handles cinematic pans, atmospheric smoke, and realistic fluid physics better than almost any free tool on the market right now. And because it is built directly into YouTube, there are no weird third-party paywalls or credits to worry about. You generate your clips, save them to your camera roll, and you have a folder full of cinematic masterpieces. But we are not done. If you upload these clips right now, it will look okay. But to guarantee that we trap the viewer and maximize our average view duration, we have to bring these clips into CapCut for the final secret sauce. First, drop in your voiceover. You can use Gemini TTS or 11 Labs for the voiceover, then drop all of your Veo 3 clips onto your CapCut timeline. The first thing is to arrange the clips in perfect chronological order. To do it the easy way, simply click on this Sort by Time Created option. Select all of your clips and simply drag and drop your clips into the timeline. And don't forget to scale all of the clips a little bit to hide the VO watermark. And don't forget to rapidly flash your best-looking scenes at the very start of the video to stop the viewers from scrolling. Now for the sharpness hack. Go to the Adjustments tab and add an adjustment layer above all of your clips. Turn your sharpen slider up to 20 or 30. This immediately pulls the macro details out of the textures, making the bone structure and the environment look crisp. Next, push your contrast up by 5 or 10. This deepens the shadows and makes the cinematic lighting punch through the screen. Add your high-energy auto captions right in the center of the screen. Drop in your background music and add sound effects like camera flash, bass impact, or any sound effect you like to keep the viewer's brain fully engaged. Now look at the final result.
If you dropped a modern blue raspberry vape into a 19th century Victorian parlor, the aristocracy's brains would literally short-circuit. On day 1, you hand the glowing rectangle to a smog-choked duke. He takes a hit. His lungs, accustomed only to London coal and unfiltered tobacco, are violently assaulted by icy synthetic blueberry. He collapses, weeping at the profound artificial flavor. By day 2, the device is dubbed the Sapphire Lung Engine. The upper class abandons their pipes. Elaborate velvet cases are constructed for the blinking neon stick. Aristocrats begin blowing sick O-rings over afternoon tea. On day 3, disaster strikes. The battery blinks red and dies. Panic tears through the elite. Parliament grinds to a halt. Lords riot in the streets, demanding a charging cable that won't be invented for a century. By week 1, Charles Dickens tries to write about the tragedy, but an addicted nobleman steals his inkwell, thinking it contains premium vape juice. Dickens is left weeping in a gutter. By month 6, Queen Victoria herself summons you to Buckingham Palace. You present her with a fresh, fully charged disposable. She exhales a massive cloud, declaring synthetic berry the new crown jewel of the empire. By year 1, the Industrial Revolution is abandoned. Coal factories are retrofitted to manufacture artificial flavoring, and the British Empire conquers the globe not for gold, but for lithium-ion batteries and mango pods.
The pacing is relentless, the lighting is cinematic, the concept is highly viral, and we built the entire thing from scratch using Google's most powerful AI hidden right inside your phone. Do not let paywalls become an excuse for you to stop building your channel. The tools are out there, you just need to know how to push them to their absolute limits. I have put this brand new Chrono-Clash skeleton master prompt inside my Discord server so you can copy and paste this exact workflow today. The link to join is completely free and it is down in the description below. Go grab the prompt, start generating your own empires, and I will see you in the next video.